Hey people, so I'm at this cute little place that is near my house. I'm here with my cute little rabbits, and I think because of these rabbits, I'm going to be. I want to start spending more and more time out in the outdoors. I really have to say this that maybe since I don't know, in the convent school that I went to or whatever, we were 60 kids in a class, 63 sometimes. It was a lot of fear based learning, that's what you can use fear to control a loud boisterous class. So that's what I've grown up with, a lot of fear. So right now, because of this lockdown, all of us have some time on our hands, probably that's what, even if you could switch on your laptop and sit just about anywhere and do your work. So I want to use this time to get rid of so many fears that I have, so because spending time outdoors is calming like nothing else. So really, people take a look at it. I mean, there's not much to see really, but it's very calming. So, and thanks to these rabbits, I really want to start spending a lot of my time outside. So I just felt I should make this video. So see, there's the rocks over there on that side. I just love this place. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.